Hello viewers, welcome to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I want to show you how to make activated charcoal at home. Very easy. I'm going to explain the benefits of activated charcoal as I prepare it. Very simple. You'll see in the video how I got the charcoal by burning my firewood, and very easy. You have to burn them until they're light. You can see very light. I can break them using my hand. You can see, very easy, very light. This tells you that they are ready. These are very messy job, very messy, very messy. But whatever the activated charcoal does, the benefits, you'll be shocked. You'll never waste this again. You'll always make use of them. You'll always be making use of them. Now, the activated charcoal, the benefits: number one, it's very good for when you're brushing your teeth. I'm going to show you on another video how to make activated charcoal toothpaste. Very nice for making your teeth as white as snow. Use activated charcoal. You can mix it with your toothpaste and then you brush your teeth, or you can just use it without the toothpaste first, but it's better when you use it with the toothpaste. Now, it's very good for people with acne. Use activated charcoal for people with acne. Put it on, mix with some little water and mix it to make a paste and apply on your face. Leave it for 10 to 20 minutes as a mask. It's very good for acne. And now it's very good for poison. This is one thing that you should not lack at home. This is one thing you should not lack at home. You should not lack at home, because anytime, even the people with babies, anytime they ingest poison, at times they take overdose of, at times the children take, when we misplace by mistake, we misplace the drugs, and like the medicine they get to take overdose. This is very good. Or any ingestion of anything that is poisonous, kindly make use of this in powder form. You mix it with a little water and you give it to the baby or any person that has ingested the poison. And what it does, it's going to activate the vomit, because it neutralizes the poison, and the person that you have given the activated charcoal will have to vomit. This should be the first aid number one as you rush the patient to the hospital. But this is something you should not lack in your house. This will save, and it saves more lives than just staying without. Make sure you get some, and I'm going to show you in a very simple way how to get the activated charcoal powder from this charcoal that I got here. Now, very easy. This is a very messy job. I'm going to put some here. This is a very messy job. You can use gloves if you mind touching them. For me, I don't mind. I'm going to wash my hands. Now, I'm going to grind them using a rolling pin. You can crush them using anything that you have. You can use this to color. You can use this charcoal, mixing it with, I'm going to show you on another video. You mix it with some oils, and then you use it to add the black shiny look on your hair. for people who want to add the shiny black look on their hair. This one will be very good. You mix, this one will be very good. Now I'm going to sieve it. I know there are some that broke, and I'm going to get the powder. I'm just showing you, but I'm going to grind the rest of the camera. I'm just showing you without wasting time how you do it. I'm going to grind the rest. I'm going to grind the rest of the camera. Very messy, but you can be sure I got my fine powder. You see, very fine. If you want it to be more fine like this, you can put in a blender. You can process in a blender or the food processor, so that you get the very fine, or you can just sieve it again using a cloth to get the very fine. But this is as good as it's good for use. You can see it has some particles, but you can use now a sieve, another sieve, or you can just use, after using the big sieve, you can use the small sieve to make the fine powder without the particles in it. This one now is ready for use, but you can sieve it using a smaller sieve, the sieve that has small holes. It has small mesh. And kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my videos, to leave a comment, and to put on notifications for more videos. I love you with the love of Christ. Thank you for always watching my videos, for always keeping it at Jackie Naturals. May God bless you so much. Thank you.